Hey guys, how you doing? It's Giante here, and in this video I want to go over the shoulder with you and show you step by step how I'm using AI and a new tool called Traffic Maestro to help me to create content and make my content creation a lot more easier. And simplicity always gets results, right? I really believe that. And with Traffic Maestro, it helps me to create Facebook posts, it helps me to write emails, and to create video content. So I've been using this tool to be able to do that. And I took some notes, so I want to go over these notes with you before we actually dive into the tool. So let's do that right now. I know that I wanted to create a video, but I didn't know what I wanted the topic to be. So the AI helped me to come up with the topic, and it came up with a topic that has a lot of search volume, right? So these are things that people are searching for in YouTube, right? So it came up with the topic, AI make money step by step. That was the topic. And I figured, okay, well, I should talk about Traffic Maestro because I know a little bit about it. So then it asked me, what are the main things that I wanted to teach in this video? And then I gave it some information about Traffic Maestro right here. And then it helped me to generate the video title, the hook, and the thumbnail. And it did that all automatically. And then it came up with the title. So the title is AI Make Money Step by Step. I answered 5 questions and it built my content for me. So that's the title that I'm going to use, because here's the keyword right here and here's the curiosity, right? So you have your title and then you have the curiosity, which is going to get people to click and wonder what the video is about, right? And then it came up with the hook. So here's the hook that brings people in, right? So 5 questions, that's all I typed. I hit submit inside Traffic Maestro and I walked away and came back to content that sounded like me telling my own story, not some generic script, not some guru template. And the part that honestly threw me off was that people started responding like they actually knew me, right? So imagine a tool that can do that for you. So it will do all those things, and I'm going to show you that in this video right now. So here's Traffic Maestro. Here was the title that it selected, and I could pick from a title or I could use my own, right? So if I wanted to add my own title or add something that I want to do myself, I could add it right here. And it asked me what I wanted to cover. So what are the main things that you want to teach in this video? So I gave it this information, and if I would select skip, then it would generate the topic for me and it would give me points to actually talk about. And then right here, it takes me into the process of getting attention. Here's the title, here's the hook, and here's the thumbnail. So here's the thumbnail that it created for me. Here's the concept. So it selected this for me. So this is going to get a lot of traffic on YouTube. And I know that it works very, very well because it selected this to be the thumbnail, right? So you normally get a very high score when you use this to generate your thumbnail, right? So it goes off my pictures right here, and then it creates my script. So here was the script. So it generates the script. If you're somebody that wants to use a script and you don't know what to talk about, you don't have to use it word for word. It's just a guideline of what you want to talk about in your video. And then you could go and you could, publish it and you could use it, right? So, you don't have to use it, but you can if you want to, and you could record your video using it. And if you want to go to shoot your video, you can just hit next, and then you could go to shoot it, right? And then you could shoot it right within our platform that we have, right? So you could shoot the video right within here and do the editing and everything like that inside this platform, which is really cool because you don't need no outside software. You don't need anything else. You can use Traffic Maestro to be able to create your content and edit it and get the content out there. So this pretty much covers everything that you need to be able to create your content in a way that's very easy, simple, and fun to do. So you don't have to overthink your strategy, right? And if you want to use this to be able to help you to create content that's engaging and helps you to generate leads and make more sales in your business, then come over here and you'll see this page. It'll be the second link below this video. It's a turnkey system, and you'll see it in the comments as well. So you're going to want to go over here and put your information in, and it will take you to this system, right? Now, you have to put in a real email. If you try to put it in a fake email, you will not be able to get through. So make sure you enter in a real email below. Also, I have links to my traffic store. If you want some traffic, you can go to my traffic store. It's being revamped right now, so it may look different when you go to it. And also, get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below in the description. That's where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can leave your questions below this video. I will answer everybody's questions, so make sure you leave it below this video. And definitely think about using Traffic Maestro to make your content creation process easier. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.